4 ways to whiten yellow teeth naturally. Welcome to the video guys, I hope you'll be fine. This video is for those people who want to whiten their yellow teeth naturally without medication. But at first please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Guys, teeth can look more yellow or darken, especially as you got the age. As the outer enamel wears away, the yellow dentin underneath becomes more visible. Dentin is the second layer of calcified tissue beneath the outside enamel layer. If you are looking to whiten your yellow teeth naturally at home, then you have to watch this video up to the end for full detail. Let's get started. 1. Brush your teeth with paste of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Guys, it is an effective remedy. A 2012 study found that people who used a toothpaste containing baking soda and peroxide got rid of tooth stains and whitened their teeth. They showed significant improvements after 6 weeks. Similarly, a 2017 review of the research on toothpaste with baking soda also concluded that they are effective and safe for removing tooth stains and whitening teeth and can be used daily. Just mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide to make a paste. Then brush your teeth with this paste. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with water after brushing with this paste. 2. Rub your teeth with peels of lemon, orange and banana. Yes guys, this tip is also very effective. It is believed that the compound D-limonene or citric acid, which is found in some citrus fruits peels, will help to whiten your teeth. A 2010 study looked at the effect of toothpaste containing 5% D-limonene in removing teeth stains resulting from smoking and tea. Similarly, a 2017 study tested the potential of citric acid extracts from your different types of orange peel as a teeth whitener. They were shown to have varying abilities on whitening teeth, with tangerine peel extract achieving the best results. Just gently rub the fruit peels on your teeth for about 2 minutes. Make sure to thoroughly rinse out your mouth and brush your teeth afterward. 3. Brush your yellow teeth with charcoal. Guys, brushing with charcoal has the ability to remove pigments and stains from your teeth because it's highly absorbent. One paper published in 2019 found that charcoal toothpaste can whiten teeth within 4 weeks of use. But it wasn't as effective as other whitening toothpaste. Just put a quantity of charcoal on your toothbrush. Gently brush your teeth using small circles for 2 minutes. Be especially careful in the area around your gums as it can be abrasive. Then spit it out. Don't brush too aggressively. You can also mix the activated charcoal with a small amount of water to make a mouthwash. Swish this solution for 2 minutes and then spit it out. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with water after using activated charcoal. 4. Eating fruits and vegetables. Just eat raw fruits and vegetables with high water content can help to keep your teeth healthy. The water content is thought to cleanse your teeth and gums of plaque and bacteria that lead to yellow teeth. Chewing on crunchy fruits and vegetables at the end of a meal may increase saliva production. This can help to remove food particles that are stuck in your teeth and wash away and harmful acids. This is it guys, I hope you liked the video. You can comment below if you have a question. Thanks.